Coming around the mountain. Yeah, man, back out here. Back for another episode. Back in the pizza mobile. I got some pizza. Yeah, I'm in my local neighborhood of Warminster. And up on the hot plate, I'm going to take a look at this one. I don't have a menu, so we're going to go by the use of the cell phone. There we go. Domino's pizza. Yeah, Domino's. I mean, what can you say? This is like a mega. This is like the franchise of franchises in a way. I mean, other than, you got Papa John's and Pizza Hut. Domino's is probably, right up there. Probably maybe the king. Hard to say. They're all running neck and neck. But we're gonna. I've never had Domino's. So I'm going to get into it today, and I'm going to see how good it is. I'm going to see how good it stacks up with the franchise pizzas that I've had. So let's take a look at it and see what we got. Let's do a first look. All right. This came out of the... he made it pretty quickly. Got it in the box pretty quick. Like it was about 10 minutes after I ordered it. So let's see what we got. First look. Domino's. Yeah, franchise style pizza. Cookie cutter style, as you can see. Not bad looking for a franchise chain pizza. Not bad looking. So yeah, let's put it down. We'll do a slice and score. All right. Let's do the old taste test here. See that? Yeah. And Domino's has been around since I guess in the 60s. It actually started out, the first store was called Dominic's. And then from there, they revised it, and it evolved into Domino's at some point. Yeah, all right. Let's see how good it is. All right, here we go. Guru! Coming around the mountain. Domino's pizza. Yeah, franchise style pizza. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, the crust has the bottom crust is sort of like a funny aftertaste in a way. Trying to determine. Not bad. I think there's like a garlic crust under here. I think that's why it tastes, it's got like a garlic aftertaste. Yeah. Well, I did a slice. I'll do one more. Let's do one more. These are small slices. These are really small. This is a medium, though. So, I mean, the slices are a little bit smaller. Let's check it out. I keep thinking of that song. What's that Van Morrison song? There's a song by Van Morrison that goes something like, oh, Domino's, guru, guru, Domino's, guru, da 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 da, guru. catch on, man. Maybe they don't catch on, go viral. Yeah. You know what? I mean, franchise pizza I could never put in the sevens. It's just that's just my scoring system that I've been doing for since I've been doing this. I mean, franchise pizza is what it is. You know, it's a 6-9 or lower for me. You know, that's the way I score it. If you know, something, it's 6-9 or lower. So what do I score this? You know what? Do I like it better than Papa John's? Yeah, I don't think I do. I mean, you know, it's to me they're all in the same kind of ballpark. You know what I mean? It's not bad. I mean, you know, it's not a pizza I would go out of my way for sure. I mean, this is not like, you know, top shelf. You know, got to get here. You know, next time I get a chance, get here and get a pizza, man. It's not that kind of pizza for me. Let's see. You know, I'm gonna go. Is it better than Pizza Hut? It's probably better than Pizza. I'll give it over Pizza Hut. I'll go 6-3. 6-3. Yeah. I mean, to me, it's just franchise pizza. You know, it's just, you know, there's no real like striking characteristics with this kind of pizza. It's just, it is what it is. You know, I mean, some people really get into this kind of pizza. Some people really get into this. But I prefer the, you know, the authentic stuff. That's my wheelhouse. Is the more authentic pizza. So, okay, well, that's about all I can say about it at the moment. So I'm going to wrap things up for today. And that's going to be a wrap and a review of Domino's pizza. We'll take it one last time. Take another look, man. Yeah. 6-3 for Domino's. Okay, it's a wrap, review. Everybody take care. Everybody be well. And everybody have a great day. And I'll see you all next time. The Guru.